the air. It's a chance, and he's gone. Abdurrazzak has perished, trying to probably hit that over extra cover, getting it too straight. And Razzak picks up a wicket.
And that's a poor shot. It's a poor end to a very good batting. He just hit one boundary over onto the onside. The next time trying to repeat it, only 1 for 32. The Abdurrazzak. That's very close, really close, and gone. Because they were looking good, and all of a sudden they lost a couple of wickets and seems to be in trouble.
Yeah, he's walked inside the line of this delivery, Raymond Price. LBW is the decision. It's outside off stump. Price goes now for one. Zimbabwe in trouble, 191 for 9.
Earlier picked up a hat-trick. That was also against Zimbabwe, Harare, in the year 2006. Can he become the second one? They have to pick him. He's got to slip in, he's got to slip not out. There he goes. Hit him straight on the foot. Taking a long look, and he's got it. Took a long time. Razzak has picked up his first hat-trick.
Looked like it hit Mpofu on the toe. Umpire took his time. There's a look, pitching in line, that's a good decision. It's out, I'm afraid. Good decision from the umpire. He took his time, had a good look. And look at those celebrations. Irvin has been left stranded.
Doesn't even bother to look at the umpire. His walk with a big edge, and straight to the rise, and he's going. While looking at think of it. But easy as a 7 out of the television counter catch. Easy as you like. Right to the bowler. Walk behind. For 8 runs. Put the shoot on the bench. Gives to the finger. Set it to straight. Working the magic here for Bangladesh. Maybe I'm just talking about the bad luck. Particularly now it's going to go. Here it is. Up and straight to the ball. Bang on the toe. A little bit of angle there. Right to come off the bat. But you can see it's just looking at a bit of a wind on the straight there. Only for one ball. ODI.
Just the 3 fielders within the 30-yard circle on the offside, and one back on the boundary. It's one! Back for the big one! And I think he played a short job, but this was on the cards, and the crowd loves you.
Change your bowler, change your pace. It's done the trick. Slower one. Smart piece of thinking from Abdurrazzak. Threw the shot of it early. Corey Anderson.
Come at the man. Is it going to work out for New Zealand captain Gordon McCullum?
the strike here is Brendan McCullum. Can he get a start and get going here tonight?
Well, that's Adrian. There he is! He's gone! And an attack shot. Got the shoulder on the back. And Ruben then strikes again. 2-2 more rebound.
Rubel's on a hat-trick. Crowd are going bananas here at the National Stadium. Oh, it's a peach. It's jagged, it's bounced. Yeah, high fives all round with the men in green. Go.
Julian Angel comes in. Fourth match of his career. Rubel again is on a hat-trick. We've seen a hat-trick. Rubel Hussain's got his tail up. On a hat-trick. Looks around his field. Here we go. Down the left slide, and a big, up goes the ball, it's there! The ball's given up! He tried to tuck it around the corner, pushed it to Rahim, jumping to the right, driving the catch
Bowling really well. Got him right in front. This again, this is a clever delivery. He used the arm ball very, very usefully. Give a ball, shine. Just not getting it. Right in front. Now, where is the goal way? Another big wicket and has certainly brought in plenty more enthusiasm all round. Such a good make about the keeper was super well. Nice one to bounce off it. Did well. Just give us an extra bounce. Elected fans, what a turnaround this has been. First hat-trick in Test match cricket, and he's the proud owner of it, Sohad Gandhi. Oh, certainly, this is absolutely outstanding bowling, and it really deserved every bit of it. Just look at the flight, perfect flight, and again, what a good catch this was. Just maintaining his concentration and getting under that. Shakib. So, Sohad Gandhi has created history, and this is a difficult situation for New Zealand with the dismissal of Doug Bracewell without scoring. 2-6-7.
Straight to mid-off, a good catch in the end, and Pakistan losing another wicket. Oh, nice delivery, and given by Russell Tiffin. Canaria had left it alone, and it probably hit his back leg. The Bangladesh flag is fluttering, and this is extremely 2 of 2. Well, very interesting. A very, very exciting over the ball. No, hit the back pad, but I think it was outside the line of the off stump, but Tiffin thought it's out. The goal can survive this. Oh, very close. I think it's got to be out. It's a hat-trick. Fantastic achievement. He just let that one go, and it was going to hit the stumps. This time, Omar Gul will walk back dejectedly, and so will Johanna. There's no doubt about it, and the hat-trick, the first ever achieved by the Bangladesh.
Another arm ball between the Zimbabwe here.
Oh, Panyangara is gone. Another fantastic bit of bowling by the left arm spinner, making coming off the pad, hitting the off stump. 2 wickets.
Decent position when they were at 95 for 1 at one stage. Again playing off the back foot, given! He's on a hat-trick! Terrific stuff from Title Slump. You're gone.
Spoke about not nudging it and nurdling it around and maybe trying to be a bit positive. Going back to a straight delivery. Not too much wrong with that decision from Chris Gaffney. He's going to be hitting straight middle stump. That's John Yumbo gone.
He's got it! He's the fourth person from Bangladesh to pick up a hat-trick in one international, and that's Abdurrazzak making his debut, picking up a hat-trick. Wonderful, wonderful feeling.
Not the greatest shot, but give credit to the young man. Brilliant effort, brilliant stuff. Look what that means to him. Loves bowling here, loves bowling against Zimbabwe.
And that's to get the danger schooner wrapper out. Look, well, he tried to get underneath the ball, but that's the key.
Yeah, Suranga Lakmal is the new batsman. In a low full touch, straight into the hands. So he's got 2 in 2 and he's on hat-trick. Mustafiz takes the catch.
Are you worried about height here? No, that's no height. No, good catch too. Moving to his right. He's on a hat-trick here. There you go. He gets the opportunity to bowl in the last over, and the responsibility's been his right.
Taskin on a hat-trick. Bowling! He's got it! What a moment for the youngster! Taskin Ahmed, you little beauty, you've done beautifully, really well.